Over Easy is an all-natural supplement created to reduce the hangover effects of alcohol. My partners and I run multiple businesses, and we enjoy a very active social lifestyle. And we noticed after a few glasses of wine at dinner, the following day we just didn't feel as sharp. So we started to research why hangovers happen. We partnered with a lab in Brazil, and we created our formula, and that's how Over Easy was born. Hangovers aren't fun. Dehydration, dizziness, headaches, disrupted sleep, and stomach inflammation are all symptoms of a bad hangover. Hangovers are caused by a toxin called acetaldehyde, which is produced within your body when liquor passes through your liver. The all-natural Over Easy formula contains essential ingredients that help to flush out this toxin from your body faster so you wake up hangover-free. What makes Over Easy so effective is our unique and exclusive 2 pellets phase technology. In phase 1, the white pellets instantly release zinc, magnesium, and the amino acid L-cysteine into the body to protect and prevent damage to the liver. Then phase 2 kicks in. In phase 2, the time-release blue pellets release into your body ingredients like chicory root, amla extract, grape extract, Chinese date, beet juice, and vitamin B combinations. These all-natural active ingredients help your body flush out the toxins from alcohol a lot faster so you wake up pain-free.
I have a very active social life. I really enjoy to get out, see my friends. I like my business to be fun and social, so whether that's dinners or drinks or even a date, I happen to be out and pretty social most of the week.
I think it's really important to have a balanced lifestyle. I'm really busy with work. I do work a lot. I like to spend a lot of time with my kids, but I also like to have some mommy time, go out with the girls, have a little, fun, some drinks here and there.
The worst part about drinking is worrying about the next day. It's a combination of during the night having that thought of what's going to happen the next morning and tailoring a bit of your fun that you might want to have. And then the next day, if you happen to wake up and have a hangover, it crushes your whole day, ruins your schedule, ruins your productivity, makes you feel kind of crappy for the rest of the day.
The reason why Over Easy is better than other products on the market, it's 100% natural. It actually works. All you need is 1 capsule throughout the night while you're drinking. Other products on the market, you've got to take a shot, you've got to take multiple pills throughout the night. They're not easy to carry, they don't work as well. You got to take a pill the following morning after you've been drinking. I don't know about you, but in the morning, I don't want to think about it. I want to just feel great.
What I love most about Over Easy is that it's all natural, so I don't have to worry about taking it. Even if I'm having a couple glasses of wine, I just keep it in my purse because it's nice and compact.
I think I'd bring Over Easy with me kind of anytime I'm headed out. I think it allows me the option to pick the flexibility of my evening, and then if I choose to have a few more beers, then I'm able to wake up the next day, have a great productive morning, feel sharp, and be healthy.